When you think of data science, what comes to your mind? Like, you feel like, I feel like it's, people see it as this big thing, this big thing that is very unachievable and that is very hard to get, and they just have these things that are holding them back because it's something they didn't do enough research, or they just kind of just believe it's not possible for them. So I'm going to be addressing some of those things and just helping you guys understand what you need and maybe what you don't need to do to become a data scientist. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Nora Ekutan. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a video. So if you're interested in any type of content that I make, or you're just interested in just seeing me, make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell, So today, guys, I'm going to be talking about myths that are common in the field of data science. So the first myth about data science is that you need to have a master's or a PhD and to be able to maybe get a data science job, or maybe a university degree. All those are just partly true, but they're not really true. They're not like facts, because data science is divided into two, and you can have the applied part of applied data science, and you have the research data science. And for the applied one is the one which maybe you have to deal with the programming and machine learning algorithms, and you have to learn them and implement them and just work with them. That's what most companies are actually looking for. And that one, you don't really need to have like a master's or a PhD. But for the research, mostly you need to come up with your own algorithm or a lot of research papers. You know what you do when you go further studies, when you do masters and PhD, you do a lot of research. So that's where you can, if you have that passion, you can go for it until PhD, because that's where you can develop your own algorithms and just do a lot of papers. So basically what employers are looking for is the practical skills, the applied data science. And the applied data science, you can just get it by either self-learning or joining a boot camp, or just you don't have to really, or doing a lot of practical projects. One thing is you need a full data science degree in order to transition from maybe what you're doing to data science. That is a no. You don't need to have a degree in order to transition, because if you're doing, let's say, I have a lot of friends who have transitioned from different fields, even engineering, bachelor of maybe food something, a lot of just very not related courses, and they have transitioned very successfully to the data science field. And it's not really necessary that you really have to have a university degree. And I can also add, you don't need to have a mathematical background. You don't need to have studied statistics in campus. You can, but now you have to, as a person, you have to learn a lot of things. So if you're really into learning and you want to grasp new stuff, you can actually try data science. You can actually transition successfully. Yeah. So the next one is, most people think that data science is for everyone. Nope. Data science is not for everyone, but anyone can do data science. I don't know if you can separate those two, if you can differentiate those two. It's not for everyone, but anyone can do data science. Because if you don't love math, like if you're those people who don't love math and data, and you're just not interested in them at all, don't push yourself to data science, because you will not love it. But if you don't have a background in, let's say, statistics or a calculus or just mathematics or programming, but it's something you'd love to do, it's something you're actually passionate about, if you are ready to learn statistics, and if you're ready to learn just programming and everything, and you love it, you can do it. But if you're not interested, just look for something else, because that is not for you. It's something that I tell people, like, you can have that. You cannot do something without the passion. So if you don't have the passion to do it, don't force yourself. You can be that artistic person who loves to paint and stuff, and someone just tells you, oh, there's this a new course in the market, it's really paying, nini, and then you run for it and you don't love anything about math. You'll not go anywhere with that. So yeah, you just need to have some passion in statistics, or just learning new mathematical concepts and programming concepts, and then you can go for it. So it's not for everyone, but anyone can do it. Yeah. first myth I have for you today is, I've really heard about it, you need to only learn about technical stuff to do with it. And by technical I mean just learning about to use R, to use Python, just learning how to use these technical programs to just grasp every concept of data science. And that is not true. As much as technical is very, very, very important, you also need to have some soft skills. Some of these soft skills are like communication skills, team building or teamwork, because you know, when you're working you need to work a lot with a team or a group of people, and if you can't work with people, that's something that will be really hard, because some things you can't figure it on your own, or it will just take time. So you need to have a lot of soft skills, a number of soft skills, in order to be able to be successful in this career. You need to have a business mindset, you know. So yeah, all this come together when you have the technical and the soft skill, a good balance of them, you can be able to, you know, kill it. So yeah, so I think for today I can make another part 2. So if you feel like there's anything, assumptions that you made and you're not sure, just drop it in the comment, I'll address it for you. But yeah, generally those are things that people assume, and I just wanted to clarify for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe, leave a comment if you have any, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.